Part 2, since I accidentally hit the off button. Yeah, so that should fit my ant. And let's try not to hit the off button thing again. That was annoying. Yeah, the seller seems to have a professional plastic melting machine that you can melt plastic bags together closed. Quite nice. This is lovely. My aunt will love it. And that's from Thigh Maternity. She's not pregnant, obviously. She's almost 80, but she doesn't care, nor do I, if it's maternity wear, so long as it fits. And then this one is Jones, New York. I think I already have another. Yeah. Another item that already was Jones, New York. With a nice stick and re-stick envelope. It's kind of sticky. And you could reuse it. Thank you, seller. Yes. Thank you. And another shirt for her. It's actually more of a tunic, I think. Yeah, it's nice and long. And yeah, she should be able to wear that. Not a problem. I think she'll really like it. It's a nice texture, too. Very cool. And we're down to the last 2 items, which were sold as a group, or a set. This one is, this parcel package is sealed shut with a, seems to be melted, or maybe it's just a more sticky seal thing. Let's see that is in there. These are for my dad, or perhaps David. They will both fit, and they'll both look good in these colors and the size. Yeah, some more nice shirts. We mustn't go around looking like paupers. It's not appropriate. Yeah, those are lovely, and they smell great. Anyways, thank you, seller, very much, and thank you, my dear audience. If you're out there watching me and enjoying the Poshmark unboxing, put a like in the, hit the thumbs up. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of new videos. Occasionally I get in trouble with Facebook for community guideline strikes or saying things that I shouldn't be saying. Like about the certain common theme we all have going on in our lives right now. I'm sure you know what I mean, don't you, dear watcher? So, anyway, but I do try to stay out of trouble. This is my main channel. And anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome, stay safe, and most importantly, stay adventurous. It can never take, life too seriously that you are not going to be adventurous, because what's the point of rolling yourself in bubble wrap and not doing anything in your life? I am off to my new adventure soon in the great north, well, subarctic anyway. This is part of my new adventure. Ask me what you think is happening. Ask me what you think is happening. Tell me what you think is happening. You obviously know I'm moving, because you can tell by all the boxes, but if you've been paying attention, and I've mentioned it in a few other videos, where my new adventures are going to take place. Anyways, have a lovely day, night, evening, morning,